So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is a mermaid lock application that you have never seen before. I promise you that, because I haven't seen it before, and if I haven't seen it, you definitely haven't. I have mermaid locks in two colors and bob length. So I've got blonde hair, or I have midnight hair, and I'm just not sure. Blonde or midnight, blonde or midnight, blonde or midnight. Midnight. So in this video, I'm going to be applying my Midnight Mermaid Bob Locs. Something brand new and that's not been seen before, so stick around. So in your pack of your mermaid lock bob, you will have 140 strands of hair. 100 of which will be locks, 40 of which will be our mermaid wave crochet hair. This is slightly shorter than the last bob we did for just try something new, and this one is 10 inches and 12 inches, so it's just got the two lengths. So these packs here are 10, these are 12, and the wavy strands are also 12. So the idea is that you use the shorter hair, which is on this side at the back, and these longer ones on this side you're going to use at the front, because we want to create we're aiming to create as close to a one length bob as possible. There may be some, it may not be completely straight, but that's the general idea for what we're trying to create. So I'm going to get into the application. So I've just literally designed this, so it's brand spanking new. So you've got 2 packs of the 10 inches, and then you have 3 packs of the 12 plus the wavy hair in 12. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in with the 12, and we're going to aim to do those around the back. So that's what I'm going to go in and do first. So I've gone in with 1 pack of the 12. So I'm gonna go in now with the second one. Okay, and that is the second pack of the 12 in now. So now we're going to move on to the longer length, and we can also do the locks, but also we can do the mermaid wave hair in and amongst it. I realised that I've done this backwards, my install. Normally I would do my, in fact what I might do now is a bit backwards, but I think I'm going to do my mermaid extensions here now. It's beautiful. On each side I normally do 6. I might do 5 this time because I've done it a little bit thinner than I normally would. Now we have all of the 12 inch in and the mermaid bit at the front, which is where you probably should have started. So after doing that, I have now left 3 packs of the 12 inches in the crochet hair, and I've still got about 30 strands, maybe 40 something, no, about 35 strands or so in the wavy hair. So I'm going to go in with my locks. the shorter one, and then the longer one in the 4 middle ones. So now I've got the locks in, and I'm gonna go ahead and double wrap the front. I have to say I really like these. I know I say this after every application, but I just feel there's something really kind of like sexy cool about these because they're kind of short and they kind of just, you just kind of flip them, whip your hair. I mean, I whip my hair in any length, but I really like these. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do double wrapping now. And this is what I recommend in the individual locks you'll likely have at the front. So you need a spare lock, which you will then cut into 2. You'll cut in half at the loop and then you'll just separate it out. And each one of these will wrap a lock. So when you get the hair, first thing you want to do is just open it out. It will be very twisted because it's been in a lock. We want to try and break that down as much as possible. And crochet needle, and you're going to hook in the hair that you've now loosened. Pulling it down. You want maybe like an inch or 2 left on one side, and one side will be your predominant side to wrap. So this then becomes part of these lock and extension, and you just start winding it round. If you've ever done individuals, it's the exact same thing, just wrap. To seal it, I use nail glue, and you literally just need like a literal drop. And you wind and roll. And that's it, that's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and double wrap all of these. On this one I need to add more hair because it's not wrapped. Because when you're doing the cane rope, when you're doing the braids, I recommend that you plait just past your natural hair so that when you're double wrapping, you know that if you're wrapping and there's still plait underneath, that you haven't gone past your natural hair yet. And that's it. We done. What you can do, if you want like waves like here, is take a crochet wavy hair, and I'll do it on this side actually. Just crochet it into the base. You can always take it out. You don't have to keep it at all, but that just gives you extra waves in the face.